morning everyone. So pagi ini saya mau tunjuk sama kamu resepi ke-7 daripada 15 resepi yang mesin kopi ini boleh buat. So jadi sebelum ini sudah saya tunjuk 6 daripada 15 resepi mesin kopi DeLonghi. Tapi hari ini yang resepi yang ke-7. Mari kita sama-sama tengok apa saja resepi yang ke-7 itu ya. Jadi ini dia mesin kopi DeLonghi, sudah on. Jadi ini profile saya warna pink. Oke, jadi hari ini saya mau buat yang ini espresso macchiato. Oke, saya mau buat size L dengan intensity 4 ya. Jadi saya suka saya punya kopi itu kuat. Jadi kita buat dia sekarang. Carafedel ini saya letak di sini, oke. Cantik kan? Boleh nampak tuh susu di screen display. Disusu dulu, oke. Oh, cepat juga ya. Sekarang mesin ini sedang brewing kopi. Seperti kita boleh nampak di sini di display itu boleh nampak dia punya kopi. Oh my, mommy espresso is ready. This is funny. Look at that. How small that is. This is like it's gonna be like very strong coffee. Oh, actually I was supposed to use a smaller cup. I was supposed to use this cup. This is for espresso. Look at that. Yeah, this cup, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, this is very surprising. The espresso, this is first time for me trying the espresso macchiato, and I guess this is done. Look at that. Look at this. This is like a one sip and it's done, but it's very strong. Okay, let me put that there, and now I'm gonna put this cup. I'm gonna put this cup here, right? And I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna turn the dial to clean the carafe. So yeah. So this is for cleaning the carafe with hot water. All right. So it's done. All right, guys. So inilah dia espresso macchiato. This is supposed to be like for, yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna add just like about 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of sugar. I didn't expect to be this way, but it's okay. It's okay for now. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna make new one after this one. So actually, it's supposed to be in this cup. Let me. Oh, that's very strong. There is very strong coffee. Yeah, this cup. Yes. Exactly for this cup size. Look at that. Like if you can see it. Look. So, cheers. Oh wow. Crazy. This is very strong coffee. I think this type of coffee, like espresso, macchiato, is for truck drivers, right? So cheers. Oh, this is so good. It's so good, actually. I love it. I love it. All right. Thank you for watching. And all right. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Cheers. Oh, so good.